Hello, welcome to DIY Itinerary. Are you someone who is looking to plan a travel? Are you someone who always before traveling has to sift through blogs and hundreds of pages of information? If you want to save yourself from all of that, we have something that's perfect for you. Let me walk you through what DIY Itinerary does. So this is one of the itineraries for Lucknow. Similarly, we have itineraries for places across the planet, be it international or in India. The first thing that we recommend is stays, and there are stays in our pre-made itineraries in different budgets. When you get the itinerary, all you need to do is click on the link, and it takes you to that particular link. Let me just open one for you. And once the stay is open, all you need to do is select your dates and book the stay. You can go down, you can have a look what the stay looks like, and all you need to do is reserve. Similarly, we also mention name for like how you can rent different things. Like if you want to take bikes, if you want go via taxi, if there's an app like Uber or Ola available, we let you know about that. Or if there is a local app to that particular place specifically, if it's international, like in Southeast Asia, Grab is something which is common. So we mention all of that, and there are links again from where you can rent bikes and cars and stuff like that. Then we have full days planned. So for each day, we usually mention breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Since this, on this day, we are assuming that you will reach at dinner time. That's why just dinner is mentioned, where you can have that, how you can reach that place, and what is the expense and what time it is open till. Similarly, what other things you can eat and do. This is specifically an itinerary for a foodie. So that is why it's more focused on just food, but usually in an itinerary we also have things to do, and I can show you one like that as well. Since this itinerary is specifically for a foodie, after the 3 days that are planned, here we have some sightseeing as well, so you can see, go to the Sikandar Bagh. um, Usually in all the itineraries, if it's a specific type of itinerary like a food based itinerary, we'll also mention other things to do in that place, just in case you also want to roam around and not just eat. We'll tell you the timings, what the entry fee is, and like how you can purchase the ticket or how to reach there. So that in a gist is what DIY itinerary is. This is a sample of a pre-made itinerary. We also customize itineraries as per your requirement. So whatever is it that you need, you can find it here. Scroll through the page, reach out to us on Instagram or on WhatsApp. The details are mentioned on this page itself. Thank you for watching.